Today, we will talk about how to add calcium to soil. Let's have a look at the details. Calcium promotes the healthy growth of plants in a wide variety of ways. For instance, it loosens soil to allow it to absorb more water, and it increases the strength of a plant's cells. Add calcium to your soil easily by applying eggshells or soil additives to it. After following a few simple steps, you can have healthier soil and healthier plants. The first method is using a soil additive. Test your soil's pH level to determine which additive you need. The most common way to add calcium to soil is to use a soil additive. The two most common soil additives to raise calcium levels are lime and gypsum. Before choosing one, test your soil's pH to figure out which one will work best for your needs. Buy soil additives from a gardening supply store. You can buy gypsum or lime at most gardening supply stores. Spread additive using a lime or fertilizer spreader. If you need to spread just a bit of additive, use your hands. But if you are trying to cover a larger area, you may want to use a fertilizer spreader to be more efficient. Monitor soil and reapply additive annually or as needed. You might only need to add more lime or gypsum once every year, but keep a close eye on your soil to determine how often you need to add calcium. If your soil is used to produce large amounts of crops, for instance, you may need to add calcium more frequently. And the second method is using eggshells. Save eggshells. If you're trying to add some calcium to a smaller area of soil, eggshells can be an effective and thrifty solution. To start using eggshells in your garden, simply save the empty shells you accrue from cooking and baking. Store eggshells in an empty container for at least 2 to 3 days to dry them. Eggshells need to be as dry as possible before you can use them in soil. This will help their calcium be absorbed into the soil fully. Set your eggshells aside in an empty coffee can or other dry container. Grind the eggshells into a powder using a food processor or blender. Dry eggshells should grind up easily. The powder should have the consistency of ground coffee or flour. The finer you grind the shells, the more effectively the soil will absorb their calcium. Till the powder into the soil. Mix the powder into the soil after spreading it by using a tilling machine or your hands, if the area is small. Adding the powder a few weeks before you plant your seeds will help ensure that the soil is in good condition for growing. If there are already plants growing in the soil, though, spread the powder around the plants. Mix the eggshell powder with water if you don't have a tiller. Add about 2 tablespoons of eggshell powder into 1 gallon and stir. Once it's combined, pour the mixture over plants and soil alike. Add more eggshell powder as needed. Monitor the growth of your plants. If you think they are having difficulty growing, add more eggshell powder to improve the soil. If your plants seem to be flourishing, you probably won't need to add any more. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.